That was not an accidental series with the steering wheel.
It's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beat tight.
I've bought new steering wheel cover, so to sew my steering wheel I need following tools: steering wheel, leather cover for steering wheel, threads and needle. I've taken everything in black color because I like this color in my interior, and that's it.
So caught in this was so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. Let's free fall. Let's free fall.
We need to find the center and to place it in the middle of your steering wheel, in the bottom. It's really very tight, but it's absolutely possible to do this job. This appeared to be the difficulty thing in this job for me. I couldn't place the cover to steering wheel and watched a lot of YouTube videos to see how to manage this job. But almost none of them have such trouble with the leather of cover. I even used such tool, but I've read that leather could be less tight if you place it into hot water. So it took me almost 20 minutes in very hot water, and that's it. I could place it on the steering wheel.
Can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. Let's free fall. Let's free Let's free fall. Let's free fall. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this was so.
I finished this part and it is very good, I suppose. I had to redo this work few times because it is my first time when I did this job. First I did one missing one, but then I tried to do one by one, and this was more successful for me because of very thick and tight leather.
Очень жесткая кожа, очень толстая.
So why is it sorry to let you go? Let you go. So why is it sorry to let you go? Let you go. So why is it sorry to let you go? Let you
Yeah, press roll, pick up the goal. Taking no loss, I'ma say that no more, no stress. Go, pick up the flow, pay no dues.
Now we need to pull this everything back to the car. We need to connect all these connectors. Green and black are already connected. This one yellow is for bare back. And another one ground left. And that's what we get. And it's absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching, please consider subscribing and thumb up. See you in the next episodes. Bye.